Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the poem The Swing. Swing means jhula. The poet of this poem is Mr. Robert Louis Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. In the first stanza of this piece, the speaker begins by asking a question. This question and the lines of the poem makes it clear that this speaker is a young child. इन लाइन से ये हमें ये पता चलता है कि स्पीकर जो है एक चाइल्ड है और वो अपनी फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है और वो बोल रहा है कि स्विंग्स पर झूलना जो है सबसे मज़ेदार चीज़ है. The speaker thinks that swinging is the pleasantest thing that a child could do. There is nothing else that brings one more pleasure than the freedom of flying on a swing. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. In this stanza, the poet is imagining the best moment he had on the swing and the joy he felt when he rose so high he could see over the wall. This shows that perhaps the swing is located within a distance of a structure, perhaps a house or the boundaries of a farm or garden. When the child's swing went high, he could able to see so wide. The poet was able to see river, cattle, trees. When poet's swing went up. जब पोइट का जो झूला है वो ऊपर की तरफ जाता है तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को देख पाता है, जिसमें रिवर है, ट्री है, कैटल्स हैं और इन सब को वो देख पाता है, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि शायद जो बच्चे का जो झूला है जिस पे वो झूल रहा है वो या किसी फार्म में है क्योंकि गार्डन और या फिर गार्डन में है क्योंकि फार्म कैटल्स वगैरह वो बोल रहा है कि कैटल्स को देख पाता है तो इट मीन्स या तो वो फार्म है या फिर कोई गार्डन है. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. When the child has risen up to see over the wall and then as the swing starts to fall, he looks down and sees the green grass. This clarifies a bit more of the setting. The swing is in the garden and it is the garden wall the child is looking over. On the way back down, the child also sees the roof so brown. It is the opposite of the countryside. As it is dark and familiar, it is a part of child house. इन लाइन से ये पता चलता है कि जो बच्चा जो है वो अपने घर के पास ही या घर में ही वो झूला है और जब वो झूले से ऊपर की तरफ जाता है तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को देख पाता है और जब वो डाउन साइड आता है झूला तो वो घर की रूफ को और ग्रीन गार्डन को भी देख पाता है. So it is clear that the joy of singing is going to continue on for a while longer as the swings goes up and down. और झूला जो है कभी ऊपर जाता है और कभी नीचे जाता है और जो पोइट है वो झूले पर बहुत ही इंजॉय करता है. So by this poem the poet expresses joy, happiness and feeling of a child when he is on the swings. When he swings, then he feels that it is the pleasantest thing that he could do. I hope this poem is clear to you. Thank you.